Let's cut to these images. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reaches the President's house. Modi is all set to take oath as Prime Minister on the 8th of June. And we see the Prime Minister has already reached the President's house. This is the latest information we get with the NDA coming to a huddle at 4 p.m. And it's due to be discussed on the number of demands placed by the allies of the BJP. Much before that, you have the Prime Minister reaching the President's house while there is speculation that he's likely to take oath as the Prime Minister for the third time on the 8th of June. 8 p.m. is precisely the time that's been given, and as per what we know of Prime Minister, 8 is his lucky number, and it appears that that's the time and the date that's been chosen for him. 8th June, 8 p.m. He's likely to be taking oath as the Prime Minister yet again. Third time, a historic one for any Prime Minister of this country. Of course, barring Jawaharlal Nehru, it's only the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, who manages this historic feat, coming back for the third time. Now, while the BJP remains really strong and confident that all the NDA allies are with them and that they're supporting Prime Minister Narendra Modi itself to come back as the next PM. Here, we're looking at Modi himself reaching Rashtrapati Bhavan. He's going to be meeting with the President, Draupadi Murmu, and maybe an announcement is likely to come about soon. Prime Minister Modi is started to take oath as the Prime Minister yet again for the third term at 8 p.m. on June 8th. This is the big information that we have, that he's reached Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now, what's going to be the deliberations there is something that we've got to wait. Our reporters are currently bringing us the details. But for now, we hear that he's in conversation with Draupadi Murmu as he's just reached Rashtrapati Bhavan. I'm cutting across to Himanshu Mishra, joining us on the phone line for more. Himanshu, Prime Minister at Rashtrapati Bhavan, what are the deliberations that's expected? We hear that 8th of June is the day that he's likely to take oath as the Prime Minister for the third time.
देखिए, बिल्कुल 8 तारीख को जो है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जो है वो तीसरी बार शपथ लेंगे प्रधानमंत्री पद की, और उनके साथ लेगा नया उनका मंत्रिमंडल। ये तय हो चुका है, और 7 तारीख को जो है एनडीए के पार्लियामेंट्री संसदीय दल की बैठक जो है होगी, उसमें प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को एनडीए के संसदीय दल का नेता चुना जाएगा, और उसके बाद जो है वो राष्ट्रपति से मुलाकात कर जो है अपनी सरकार बनाने का दावा पेश करेंगे। जब वो दावा पेश करने जाएंगे, उनके साथ एनडीए के तमाम घटक दलों के नेता होंगे, और वहां से 8 तारीख की शाम को जो है ये माना जा रहा है कि उनका तीसरा शपथ ग्रहण समारोह होगा, और ये बहुत ही भव्य तरीके से होगा। अब देखना ये है कि किस तरीके से जो है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जो है इस बार उनके शपथ ग्रहण समारोह में कौन कौन विशेष अतिथि होगा। 2014 में उन्होंने सभी सार्क देशों के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्षों को जो है वो बुलाया था अपने शपथ ग्रहण समारोह में। तो क्या इस बार जब उनका तीसरी बार का शपथ ग्रहण समारोह होगा, जिसमें वो जवाहरलाल नेहरू के रिकॉर्ड की बराबरी करेंगे तीसरी बार शपथ लेके, तो ये देखना बड़ा दिलचस्प होगा कि उनके शपथ ग्रहण समारोह का साक्षी कौन कौन होगा, कौन विदेशों से ऐसे मेहमान होंगे जो शपथ ग्रहण समारोह के साक्षी होंगे। ये अब से 1-2 दिन के अंदर आपको साफ हो जाएगा कि उस शपथ ग्रहण समारोह में कौन
ये हमें इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है 2 दिन शामिल होने वाले। इनफैक्ट 4 बजे आज एनडीए का मीटिंग है, अब 2 घंटे में लगभग। उससे पहले ही प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी ने प्रेसिडेंट से मिले हैं। वो ही इज करंटली एट द राष्ट्रपति भवन, ही इज मीटिंग विद द्रौपदी मुर्मू।